Good morning to all. Myself, Professor Nidhi Joshi. I am discussing about the subject Image Processing and Computer Vision. In that, I will be discussing about the unit Knowledge Based Vision. So, before starting this unit, like my agenda for today's session is to discuss what is a vision system, applications areas for the vision system, and the product verification. So let us start with what is a vision system. A vision system is defined as a pre-built solution that is ready to configure and deploy, containing the sensor, processors, software. Here we are training the machine with the pre-built solution, the machine or the computer system with the pre-built solution. The machine consists of the sensor, processor, the software, the necessary software that we need to install. So while generally with the use of the vision system, they are generally used to automate the manufacturing and the secure product quality. The use of the vision system is non-industrial application such as the medical, in the traffic, sports or entertainment, that is becoming the common. If we are talking about the medical, we are having the instruments if somebody wants to measure the BP, so we had built the solution for that. That will the patient needs to put the armband on the hand over the arm, and the machine will automatically detect the BP of the person. So if any deviation is there, it will show the necessary signals. Even for the traffic control also, the sensor is built, it will show the timing, when the traffic will going to open for the person, when the light will turn to yellow, red and green. In fact, for sports and for entertainment also, we are using the vision system. So the vision system is defined as a pre-built solution, जहाँ पे हम लोग pre-built solution हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, उसको कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं, डिप्लॉय करते हैं. If required, we need to install the sensor, processor and software. एक एग्जाम्पल और है विजन सिस्टम का. Nowadays the cameras are installed in front of the house. As soon as if any person is coming, then it will indicate, the camera software will indicate to the house owner or to the person, to the concerned person, something fishy is going outside. So the person will get some alarm, will get some security alarm kind of thing. There also the vision system we are using nowadays for the security purpose. So if we are talking more about the vision system, imaging systems are built up from many different components, including the optics, illusion, cameras and the software. So if I am talking about the selection and the matching of component from the technical and the cost point of view is of the major importance while creating the optimum solution. As well as if I am talking more about the vision system application, the application needs to be considered such as the environmental requirement, what are all the environmental requirement, integration constraint of the final machine or the definition of how the user will interact with the system. Like if we are here, I was talking about the environmental requirement. Like if we are considering the traffic signal, like nowadays you have seen the robots are installed. Like if some like heavy rainfall, like the thunderstorm took place, so that time the system will work or not. We have to keep this thing in the mind. So integration constraint of the final machine, like where the machine that we are going to use, or the definition of the how the user will interact with the system. यूज़र उससे कैसे इंटरैक्ट करेगा, वी हैव टू ट्राई टू मेक इट मोर friendly. Just like I had discussed about the system like the BP instrument. Like if we are going to design very user friendly, like it should be readable, it should be readable and understand by the patient or the user. Now if I am talking about the application area for the vision system, the machine vision is used for the diverse range of tasks in a wide range of market. The diversity of the application requirement drives the need for a wide range of the vision system to achieve a solution that is not only cost effective but also deliver the required feature. जो भी हम लोग application like vision system that we are going to use, that will be providing a wide range of solution. Ultimately एक solution provide करना चाहिए. Just now I had considered the example of the cameras. Cameras में sensor रहते हैं. Like if any bad guy या annoying person that came, so it will automatically send the signal to the owner. So जो purpose क्या है, we have to provide the security alert should be sent to the house owner. So the diversity of the application requirement drives the need for the wide range of vision system to achieve a solution that is not only cost effective but also deliver the required feature. Like एक cost का भी balance होना चाहिए and it should provide the what is the required feature. Security provide करनी चाहिए. हम लोग cameras पे की बात कर रहे हैं, security cameras की बात कर रहे हैं. So it's applicable for all the type of the vision system. This section outlines the basic choice in terms of the hardware and software at a system level to enable this optimum solution to be defined. So required this thing, जो भी necessary hardware and software that we need to install should be there, and so that the optimum solution should be there for the system. The most significant area of use for the machine vision system is in the part of the production process. एक बहुत important application है, significant area जहाँ पे हम लोग machine system use करते हैं, vision system use करते हैं. Like the production process. Like if we are manufacturing the product, so instead of going for the manually packing of the product, we have designed the system, we had automated the system like that will fill the product in the particular box or the container, will complete the packing process. तो इससे जो काम है वो उसका जो workload है that will be minimum. Online inspection system acquires the image of the product at the machine speed and are immediately analyzed by the system, providing the instant result at the speed of the manufacturing process. Like online inspecting the system. So कोई भी हम लोग इमेज को इंस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट इट विल बी गोइंग टू डू, इमेजेस एक्वायर करते, इमेजेस को कैप्चर करते हैं द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द इमेज एंड उसको एनालाइज कर, दैट इज इमेज इज एनालाइज बाय द सिस्टम. हमें एक क्विक और प्रॉम्प्ट रिजल्ट हम लोगों को मिल जाता है एट द स्पीड ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस. This online system are also called the real-time system, and depending on the application, the result can be simple, pass, fail or more complex information in the production analysis and the computer application. Just like कोई भी हम लोग medical में, like if you are going for some diagnosis, so that time वहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली हम लोग को एक कोई भी जो सेल्स वगैरह है उनकी इमेजेस हम लोगों को मिल जाती है, इमेज हम लोग कैप्चर करते हैं, एक्वायर करते हैं, और उसके बाद लाइक इमीडिएटली दैट इज़ एनालाइज्ड बाय द सिस्टम, और हमें एक उसका क्विक रिस्पॉन्स रिजल्ट हमें किस फॉर्म में मिल जाता है, आइदर इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द फिल और फोटोग्राफ के फॉर्म में हम लोगों को मिल जाता है, सो दैट डिजीज़ का अर्ली क्योर होना काफ़ी पॉसिबल रहता है, अर्ली डायग्नोसिस, एंड इट शुड बी क्योर्ड एज सुन एज द प्रॉब्लम इज डायग्नोस्ड. So depending whether position in the production process, as inline vision system can simply reject a defective part, ensuring the defective parts never reach the next stage of the production process where it may create the additional cost, or if position at the end of the line can prevent the defective product reaching the final customer. एक important application भी है vision system का, like कोई भी एक प्रोडक्शन कोई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है एंड इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग सम गुड्स एंड दैट गुड्स नीड्स टू बी पैक्ड, तो जो भी डिफेक्टिव पार्ट रहेगा तो मशीन को हम लोग इस हिसाब से ट्रेन भी कर सकते हैं दैट इट कुड ईजीली आइडेंटिफाई द डिफेक्टिव पार्ट फ्रॉम द गिवन सैंपल, एंड दिस डिफेक्टिव पार्ट कुड बी removed, that could be removed from the conveyor belt, and so that कि जो भी एक एडिशनल कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व रहती है उसके कारण, तो एडिशनल कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व रहती है, like if the part is defective then it's of no use to provide it to the customer, as well as like we can provide one alternative solution also, कि ये जो डिफेक्टिव पार्ट है इसको लाइंड अप कर सके एट द एंड, सो दैट दिस डिफेक्टिव पार्ट कुड नॉट बी रीच टू द फाइनल कस्टमर. नेक्स्ट एप्लीकेशन एरिया है विजन सिस्टम का फॉर द प्रोसेस कंट्रोल एप्लीकेशन मेजरमेंट. Information from the vision system can provide either feedback to the process upstream, ensuring the manufacturing tolerance are kept within the specification, or downstream in the application such as the robotics, where the location, size, orientation can accurately guide a robot, thus simplifying the mechanical handling. Nowadays हम लोग ऐसे systems भी यूज़ करते हैं कि जिसके अंदर हम लोग एक डायरेक्टली फीडबैक भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. फीडबैक भी प्रोवाइड क्या कर सकते हैं कि दिस सिस्टम नीड्स टू बी अपग्रेडेड, like what are all the flaws which are there in the system, so certain like installs or the machines that we can install जो कि लोकेशन को ट्रेस कर सके, and which can accurately provide a roadmap or a direction to the robot. So instead of doing all those things like मैकेनिकल वर्क को हम लोग ओवरकम मतलब उस चीज़ को कम कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग द प्रोडक्ट वेरिफिकेशन. Verifying that a product assembly or the package has been correctly produced is a major application for the online vision system. The application range from the pure presence check like the ring pulling on the cans to check the packing seals are correctly placed. Like product verification, हम लोग बात तो ये कर रहे हैं कि हाँ vision system like we are going to use. So जो भी प्रोडक्ट है असेंबल है एंड द पैकेज आर करेक्टली प्रोड्यूस इज अ मेजर एप्लीकेशन लाइक ऑल दोज थिंग्स शुड बी इंस्टॉल्ड प्रॉपरली. वी हैव कंसिडर्ड कि जो भी हम लोग का कैंस है तो उसमें रिंग पुलिंग जब हम वो कोई भी कंटेनर को ओपन करते हैं तो द सील्स शुड बी प्लेस्ड करेक्टली. द वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रिंटिंग एक्यूरेसी इज अनदर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस टाइप. Yes, more application area if I am talking about the vision system is the blister pack verification, solder joint verification, print and packing verification, cable wiring verification, molded part verification, bottle cap and seal inspection, PCB assembly verification and the assembly verification. Yes, that is the can opener verification. Can opener verification में, like if I am talking about this point, like it's correctly placed or not. So otherwise if it is not placed properly, then it will be difficult to open. Second is checking the type and the quantity of the water erotters. क्या है, कितने वाटर एरोटर्स है, क्या उसकी क्वांटिटी है, all those things can be checked and the supervised. Hose clip verification. This is the hose clip verification. The hose clip is placed properly or not. Fastener presence verification. So basically in the today's session we have seen like what is a vision system, like what are the major application in which the vision system that we are going to use, and the product verification. That's all is there in the today's session. In case if you are having any query related to this concept, let me know. Thank you.